In this video, you'll learn how to swap Bitcoin for Solana using the Phantom wallet. By the end of this guide, you will be able to complete your cryptocurrency exchange seamlessly. To begin, locate and open the Phantom wallet application on your device. Once the wallet is open, you will be presented with your main dashboard displaying your assets and transaction history. Next, find and click on the swap button. This option is typically located on the main screen, allowing you to initiate the exchange process. Once you click swap, the interface for exchanging cryptocurrencies will appear. In the You Pay section, select Bitcoin from the drop-down menu. This is where you specify the cryptocurrency you wish to exchange. After making your selection, the interface will update to reflect this choice. Now, move to the You Receive section and select SOL, which represents Solana. This choice indicates the cryptocurrency you will receive in exchange for your Bitcoin. The interface will adjust according to your selection. Proceed by entering the amount of Bitcoin you want to swap in the designated field. Be mindful of the value you input, as it will determine how much Solana you will receive. The wallet may provide real-time estimates of the amount of SOL based on current exchange rates. After entering the desired amount, click on the swap button to initiate the transaction. A confirmation screen will appear displaying the details of your swap, including fees and the estimated amount of SOL you will receive. Finally, review the transaction details carefully and confirm the swap. Once confirmed, the transaction will be processed. Depending on network speeds, it may take a few moments for the swap to complete in your wallet to cover the transaction fees. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.